Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to screen mirror from your iPhone to laptop for any both Windows 10 and Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to download an app. So it is available in the Microsoft Store. So directly go over here. You can just go over here for the Microsoft Store, or you can search here as well. So I'll go to the Microsoft Store here. So as you can see, this is my Microsoft Store. Now we have to go over here in the search. Now type here for AirPlay or search AirPlay. You can either type it. So I'm having a recent search here. So let me click on this one. So that is going to bring you a lot of details over here. So these are some of the available apps that can be used. From here, you have to navigate to one app called over here that's called Air Connect Screen Mirroring and File Sharing with 2.9 rating. So what you need to do is you'll be having lots of apps. So but what I'm saying is you can use this one as the best one. So guys, now what you need to do is you have to get into this. You have to try downloading this particular app that's called Air Connect Screen Mirroring and File Sharing. You have to go over here, download this, hit on the blue button over here, so it will be downloaded. So once the app is downloaded, we have to do a few things here. As you can see, it is getting downloaded, so let's wait for it. Now what you need to do is you have to click on the open, so that is going to take you to this. Now from here we have to click on Start AirPlay here. You just need to click first here. So as you can see, this will be processing, and right now I'm demonstrating you a few steps on your iPhone. So we need to let me do that. So guys, what you need to do is over here in your iPhone, you need to make few changes so we can mirror your iPhone to the laptop over there. So to do this, first of all, you have to go over here. Make sure you have to turn on Bluetooth, that is very important, and also try turning on Wi-Fi over here. Once you turn on these, what you need to do is you have to go over here. We have an icon here for screen mirroring. You have to click on this, and right now we'll be having these details over here, and you have to select the first one, that is AirPlay receiver. You have to select this and try connecting this. Now just wait. Now as you can see over here in the laptop, I'm going to demonstrate you that we can see on both over here in the iPhone as well as over here in my iPhone as well as over here it is mirrored. And right now, as you can see, if I try go over here like this, you can see everything is visible over here. Everything keeps moving without any issue. And also you can also go over here and you can try watching your galleries if you go to the photos and all those things. So as you can see over here, if I go over here, as you can see, it's all very clear and it is all fine. As you can see, all these things are moving and everything is there. If you play any kind of video, as you can see, the video will be played over here in the laptop, and you can see you can speed it up over here like this. You can make it and you're not losing any kind of qualities. And over here, as you can see, all kind of photos and all those things, you can see all these things, right? So this is how we can do it, and this is how we can mirror your iPhone on the screen, on the laptop, both on a Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.